Hello guys, my name is Mastawal Ayele. I am an instructor at MW School of Music. Today we are going to see how to create folder for our instrument and vocal tracks. This is the front face of your Cubase software. So let me add instrument tracks as I saw you earlier. Let me use this plugin. So for your drum section, you have to split in different tracks. The kick must be different from the hi-hat, different from the snare, the ride, and so on. So let me rename this track as kick. Let me duplicate it again. Let me rename this as hi-hat. Duplicate it again. Snare. Ride. This is for drum part, drum section. Shaker. Conga. This is enough. Let me add one more. Double click to rename the track. Tom. Okay. For chord part, let me add another track. I have sample tank tree. Let me use this piano. Let me use this piano. For chord section, let me duplicate this track. I need a string instrument from this plugin. Okay, the second instrument is a string, so I have to
Another thing, anything.
String instrument. This is a string instrument. It is good for chords. Let me add guitar. Let me duplicate the track. This guitar is nice for chord. Okay, for melody, let me choose another software. Saxophone. Alto soft saxophone. And let me add a string with it. Okay. Okay, this is guitar. This is sax. This is string. Melody. This is string pad. Okay, let me add a vocal audio track, mono, 2, main vocal, this ad libs. Okay, working like this or composing your music like this may be time taking, so we have to make a folder for these instruments and vocal tracks. The step is very easy. The first thing what we have to do is just right click on any track and select add track, and go to add folder track. Then rename this folder as drum. And you can select also add an instrument, add folder track, and you have to rename this as chord. Right click, add folder track, melody. Right click, add track, folder track, vocal. Okay, I create a folder for drum, chord, melody, and vocal. This can help you to manage your projects. Okay, now let me click on Control from my keyboard and let me select drum parts: kick, hi-hat, snare, ride, shaker, conga, and tom-tom. These are parts of drum, so let me drag them into drums folder like this. When I consider green arrow, I can release the mouse. So I already done with the drums. Piano, the chord part, piano, string pad, and the guitar are the chord parts. Let me drag them into chord. Okay, sax, string, melody, these are parts of melody. Let me drag them into melody folder. Main vocal and ad-libs, let me drag them into vocal folder. You see, I finish my work. To see the instrument tracks, just click on the folder icon here. When I click, the tracks in this folder will appear. If you want to collapse, just click it again. If you want to see tracks in the melody folder, just click this sign, folder sign. You get sax and string melody. If you want to see vocal tracks, just click this button. You can get main vocal and ad-libs. So your work will be good if you work like this. So my goal today is to show you how to create a folder for your instrument tracks and for your vocal tracks. This is it for today. Next time I will bring you another lesson. Just practice this again and again. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put your comment in the comment section. See you then.